How do you pronounce the Tetragrammaton, the Yud Kei Vav Kei? You're not allowed to pronounce it. If you are a Sephardi Jew and you go based on the Bet Yosef, Rabbi Yosef Karo, every time you say a blessing, which obviously it has to have Hashem's name, the Yud Kei Vav Kei, which is also called the Tetragrammaton, you're supposed to think of the way we say it, which is spelled Aleph Dalit Nun Yud, which is not the way that actual word, the Yud Kei Vav Kei, is actually pronounced, but we say it, my master. Why? Because you have to think Hashem is the master of the world. But the name itself, the Yud Kei Vav Kei, actually means Ayahoveh V'yeh. He was, he is, he will be. He always was here before time, before the creation of time, before the world. He always is here. No such thing as Hashem sleeping or resting or not paying attention or not knowing. And he always will be here. So when you pray, you're supposed to, in essence, think about both. Now, many Chachamim say that we are in a generation where many people are unlearned and incapable of thinking about both of those things at the same time when they're making every blessing. So at the very least, Rav Auerbach says they should at least think about one of them. They should at least think about Hashem is the master of the world, which is the easier one of the two. Every time you pray, every time you make a blessing, think about that you're blessing and exalting the name of who? Of the master of the world. And that's in essence what you're saying in a blessing. Baruch atah Hashem, Elokeinu melech haolam. Blessed are you, Hashem, our God, King of the world, Master of the world. So at the very least, believe what you're saying, that He's the Master of the world, including you. When you do that, you're fulfilling the blessing in the right way. But as far as to say the actual name, the way that it's written, is forbidden. It's not allowed to say it.